You're on the vlog today. Here, hold this. What have you got to say? Start the vlog. Where are we going?
To the cities.
For what?
Car show.
Nice. Loading up the cooler?
Huh?
You're on the vlog, Mom.
Nice.
We're stocked up.
Bryce, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do.
You fit?
Barely.
That's lunch.
Dude. Ain't light.
Will it fit in there?
Hope so. Oh yeah, she'll fit.
That was almost really satisfying, but I can ruin it.
Yeah, it'll work.
Good job.
Thanks.
Found a leftover Pop-Tart in your Jeep. Come here. It's okay.
Alright, I think we're ready to go. What time is it?
6:27.
And what time do we normally leave?
9.
The record!
Yeah, this is the earliest we've ever left.
Nice.
Brittney even made it here in time.
I'll keep Wesley company.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
You're
Oh wow,
riding
look
with
at
me?
He didn't even reserve the seat for me.
I'm hopping in the big red truck. See you there. How's the ride so far?
Good.
I forgot that we never really said what we're doing today.
Yeah, we're going to the car show.
Yeah, we're heading to Minneapolis and we're going to the back to the 50s Car Show with my family. Should be sick.
It's gonna be awesome. Lots of cars.
Lots and lots
Lots of
cars.
food.
Yeah, hopefully lots of fair food. Burritos are my favorite. I might need to go inside and get one of those new grapefruit Red Bulls.
Yeah.
Got some beef jerky.
Snack essentials.
And the grapefruit Red Bull. You haven't had this, Brittney?
Nope.
Let's get a first taste.
See Wesley with us.
That's not a satisfying crack. Pretty good, if I do say so myself.
Made it to the car show. Pulling in the parking lot. You guys excited? Back, what's that? Excitement. Got a pump.
Oh,
Wesley, you stoked? Yeah. Mom, you stoked?
yep.
My mom doesn't want to be on the vlog, but I'm trying to get her on it a lot today.
The only way I'm gonna be able to do it is if I get to do an edit.
You can edit it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. If I don't have to edit the video, that's a bonus.
I have to approve it.
You have to approve it?
Yeah, approve it.
So I have to edit it still, and then you get to look over and then change.
Yeah, that's what moms do.
Okay.
Want to find the last brother, and we'll see you when we're there. And we found the last son, so we're ready to roll.
Currently following the whole squad. Bryce is on cooler duty.
So we come every year, and usually the shirt is sold out in his size, but we made it early this year. Let's see the back. Nice. Are you getting a shirt?
Huh? No, I'll just borrow Wesley's.
This is why we come here.
So Bryce is ordering his famous burrito. He gets this every single year at the same exact stand. Get your burrito.
Got my burrito. It's tradition every year. About to tear in.
First bite.
Ooh. Oh. Can't litter.
Litter bug.
I'm littering. I'm so excited. Look at that. It's a beauty. Pull my hair back. Nothing better. Wait all year for this.
This one burrito.
I don't care about the cars. I care about the burritos.
Look at all the burritos.
Next up, 29.
Everyone's got a burrito. I'm a happy girl.
You got a big old bucket of French fries?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Behind the scenes,
Yeah.
getting those cinematic fancy shots.
Trying. I don't know how well it's working.
If it's cool, we'll just cut it here.
Girl,